In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with Podia. This integration is essential if you're looking to streamline your payment processes on Podia, a fantastic platform for selling digital products, memberships, and online courses. Let's dive right into the steps to get you set up smoothly. First, you'll want to log into your Podia dashboard. This is your starting point for managing all aspects of your Podia store. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find the menu of options that help you navigate through your settings and features available on Podia. Next, click on Settings in this sidebar. This is where you'll access various configuration options for your Podia store, including the integration settings we're focusing on today. Once you're in the Settings page, look for the Payments section. This is crucial because it's where you manage how you receive payments from your customers. After clicking on Payments, you'll see different payment processors that you can integrate with Podia. Locate Stripe among these options. Stripe is a popular and reliable payment processor that's widely used for online transactions due to its robust security features and ease of use. Click on Stripe and then click on the Connect button that appears. This connection step is vital for linking your Podia account with your Stripe account. Once you select Connect, the system will load a new page where you'll need to either log into your existing Stripe account or set up a new one if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information. This may include verifying your business details, connecting your bank account, and ensuring all your information is up to date. Make sure to provide accurate details to avoid any issues with receiving payments. After you've completed the setup, your Stripe account will be successfully integrated with Podia. From now on, Podia will use Stripe to process payments from your customers, allowing you to manage your financial transactions more efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Stripe with Podia. This integration not only simplifies the payment process for your business, but also enhances the experience for your customers, providing them with a seamless checkout experience. If you ever need to review or adjust your payment settings, you can always return to this section in your Podia settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Podia store's payment processes more effectively. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and updates.